Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start part 3 of chapter 4 using Python libraries. In the last class we have learned about the various modules like string module and its functions and the functions of random module. So today we are going to learn about some more modules. The first is web browser module. As the name suggests, the web browser module is used to open the system's standard web browser. That is, by default, whichever web browser gets open in our computer, it is used to open that web browser, and for that the function used is open. This function is used to open the specified website in the browser. How we are going to use it? Import keyword, name of the module is web browser, and then we'll write module name dot function name, that is the object name, web browser dot open, and in the parentheses you have to provide the name of the website or its URL. So you can write here any website whichever you want to open. Here we have specified google.com, and in the second example we have specified google.com as well as facebook.com. You can give any website, Google, Facebook, bing.com, any. Let us understand it practically. So here first we are going to write the same program, that is import web browser. Web browser is the name of the module. Web browser dot open. And in the parentheses we have to provide the name of the website in double or single quotes. Save the program. Run it. Now you can see automatically the Google page has opened, and you can see in the address bar google.com. So this is the page which will open, that is, this function has, this module with the help of open function has helped us to open the website in the particular web browser. Now again what we are doing is we are writing the same function open, but in place of Google we have now used Facebook. Now here we are opening two websites, one Google and second is facebook.com. Now you can see here this is the Facebook page and this is the Google page. It will take some time to run. So here the google.com website has opened and the second one is our facebook.com. So this is the way the web browser module can be used to open a particular website using the open function. Next we have is Urllib module. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, and this module is the URL handling module for Python to access the websites. It also has some different functions, or you can say objects. urllib.request.url open. This is used for opening and reading the URLs. Read function, it fetches the URL, that is, it takes the URL, and get URL returns the URL of the page. Get code function returns the HTTP status code. Sometimes if there is any error, it will show the error with the number. Header, it stores the information like the date and time of the particular page, and info, it returns the meta information about the page, like more information about the page, like the headers. Header stores the information and info returns the information. Let us understand it practically. So here we have is our program. We have used the import keyword here and we have taken the module urllib.request, and there is a variable s urllib.request.url open, and here we have specified the name of the website. It can be written with or without HTTP. Okay. After this we have some print statements in which we have used all the functions which we have discussed. Let us understand what will be the output of this one. All the functions. Now let us run it. After running you will see some important information. It tells you the date, it tells you the cache control. So it tells you this information with the help of the URL module, that is URL handling module. Next we have is package in Python. We have discussed earlier also that package is a collection of modules, and module is a collection of function and the statements. So you can see here in the picture, this is a package, this is a sub package. Sub package 1 has 2 modules, sub package 2 has 3 and 4, that is 2 modules. You can consider the package like a folder in your computer which can consist of the subfolder. Package can have a sub package, same way the folder has a subfolder. And what does the folder contain? It contains the files. Similarly, what does the package or a sub package contain? A package can contain a sub package, or it can contain the modules with the extension .py. Like here is an example. There is a package named as game, and every package is identified by this empty file __init__.py. The importance of this file, which is empty and its extension is .py, is that this is the file which makes a folder a package. Without it, a folder is not considered a package. So this is the package game. It has 3 sub packages: sound, image and level. Every sub package has an empty file init.py, and every package has 3 modules. There can be less than or more than 3 modules also, which consist of the function, definition and statement. But the main important point is every package should have an empty __init__.py file. Okay, now let us understand it with the help of an example. So here is, if you need to find the path of your package or the module in which you are working, you have to give the statement import sys print sys.path. Now you can see here the full path is coming: C drive, users, your user account name, app data, local programs and site package. Now what is site package? It is the main folder where the manually installed modules are being found. Means if you have the built-in modules, it can search by their names. Python interpreter will search them by their names. But if you have manually built modules, so it is a default place where the Python interpreter will start searching from. So you have to go to the site packages folder. Every computer has a different path, so in order to check the path, you need to write the statement, that is import sys print sys.path. After that, you have to go to the C drive, that is you have to start from the point where the path of the module for your computer has shown to you. Now we have is creating a package or library in Python. Library and package are the terms which are used interchangeably. So in order to create a package, first of all you have to open the site package folder. This is found in the Python in the lib folder. After opening this folder, you have to create a new folder with any name, and in that newly created folder you have to take an empty notepad file and save it with the name init.py. This file is very important, though it is empty, because this is the file which tells us that it is a package and not a simple folder. Next step is, after this you have to open the Python IDLE and create a module, and the module should contain some functions and the statements, and you have to save it in the same folder which you have created above in the step 1. After completing this, you have to import the module and check its functioning, that how it is working. So this is very important topic. You should try this practically also. First you have to click on C drive, then click on users folder, then click on your account name folder, and then you have to click on app data. It is not showing here, so I am just specifying the full path here. After reaching at this stage, you have to click on the lib folder, lib. Double click on this one. Here in the lib folder you will find another folder, site packages. Double click on this. Now create a new folder. By right clicking the mouse button, click on new folder and give any name to it. We have given the name to the folder as add. Double click on this folder and open it. Create a new file in it, that is the text document, and save it with the name init.py. Now open Python IDLE and create a module. We have typed a function here, average, which takes 4 parameters w, x, y and z and calculates the average of the 4 numbers and prints the average of the numbers. Now the main point to be remembered here is while saving the file, you need to save the file in the particular folder which you have created. That is the add folder which we have created in the site folder inside the lib folder. So you have to click on lib, then site packages, and in this we have the add folder. So in this we will save this file, that is we will save our module. Let us give it the name as ABC. Now you have to remember the name of this module because this will be used in the another file. You can see here now its location. In the add folder we have this module. Now take out a new file and import the ABC module in it. From add is the name of the folder from where we are going to import the module ABC, and the function which we have used in that one, we are going to call this function here. There we have provided the function definition, and here we are going to use the function by calling it. So we say module name dot function name, that is ABC is the name of the module and average is the name of the function. 4 parameters we have passed, and then we will save this file and run this file. So here we can see our output, that is 105.0 and none, but it is not the average of the 4 numbers. As while writing the function body, we have not specified the parenthesis here. So in that case, first it will divide the value of z by 4 and then it will add w, x and y values. So here what we have to do is specify the parenthesis, save the file and then run the module again, and now it gives the correct output as 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 plus 40 is 90, 90 plus 60 is 150, and 150 divided by 4 is 37.5. So now our output is correct. 2 things which we have to remember in this case is, first of all, we should remember the name of the module, that is ABC here in this case, and the name of the folder. And the second thing is, whenever we are saving this module, it should always be saved in the site packages folder, because it is the main directory, or you can say the default path from where the Python interpreter will start searching the modules, that is the built-in modules. So next we have is the assignment part. The first question says, what is the importance of init.py even when it is empty? This we have discussed that this is the only point, this is the only file by which it is considered as a package. Next question is, what is the importance of site package? This also we have discussed just now. Third question says, what is Python path? Python path is the path of the modules where they are located. It shows us the place, and it can be taken out by the statement import sys print sys dot path. So these are the 3 questions which you have to complete as assignment of this video, and still in doubt is there, you can ask, and complete all your assignments regularly chapter wise in your notebook.